Hi guys, this is Graham and I'm here with the Glow Community Center and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a monkey tumble today. Monkey tumble looks like this. First step, unloop the yo-yo. Second step, you're going to have to turn and stand on the right side of your yo-yo. This is your starting position. Walk to the right. Make sure your sticks are pointed at each other, left and right. Turn your body, sticks pointed at each other. Left and front, right and back. First step, your left stick doesn't move. Your right stick is gonna go over your left. One more time. Right goes over the left and back under the yo-yo. Right hand over the stick, under the yo-yo. After that, your right stick, your sticks are gonna switch positions now. Your right stick will be in front, and your left stick in back. Goes over here, your right stick is now gonna go in front. Now in the other direction, you're gonna do the same thing. Right hand goes over your left stick and under the yo-yo. Right hand over, under, other side. Back over, and under. This is the position you should end up in. Still, sticks are still pointed at each other. Now, to throw the yo-yo, all you have to do is swing it out and forward from the inside. Here, swing it towards you, and out. It should come back in an open loop with no loops or knots in this trick. One more time. Turn, over, under, other side, over, under. Nice and easy, swing it out. A popular extension to this trick will be following up with a figure eight, and that'll look like this. Monkey tumble. After you throw it out, it comes to your right side and goes right into a figure eight. To recap, unloop, turn, sticks pointed at each other, right hand over, under, other side, over, under, out. And that's it for the monkey tumble. See you in the next video.